Guys, I am going to make a very fast and easy vegetarian quiche. And what you need is a pie crust. And you need about 5 or 6 eggs and a mixing bowl and a fork. So I put in 6 eggs, and now you can add salt, pepper, whatever you want to season your quiche with. I'm just going to use a little bit of salt. I've got a bag of mixed veggies, and I'm just going to rinse them off and put about maybe a third of the bag inside with the eggs. As you can see, I actually used half a bag of the veggies. But you can use however many you want. And now for the cheese. I like to use extra aged cheddar, and I'm going to use probably about a quarter of this block. Okay, all the cheese is in there, and now you simply just mix it all together. So it's all mixed in, and now you just pour it into the pie shell. Okay, there it is in the pie shell, and I will bake it at about 400 and probably for about 25 minutes. But I will, when I take it out, I'll give you the exact time. So this is after 15 minutes, and you can see if it's jiggling, that means there's still water. So I'm going to put it in for maybe 10 or even 15 more minutes. Okay, it's been a half an hour, and you can see the middle is still not done. So I'm going to turn down the heat and let it cook some more. Actually, I turned it down the last time as well. I turned it down to 375. So that might account for it, but I know when you're cooking pie crust, you don't want it too high, otherwise the crust will burn. This is what you call quiche poof. So this is cooked now. So it took 40 minutes. I had the temperature at 425 for 15 minutes, and then I turned it down to 375 for the rest of the time. And the prep time for this was just over 10 minutes. And as you can see, I added some potatoes. But, you know, if you want to make something that's healthy and quick prep, this is really good, and you can put all kinds of stuff in it. So hope this helps somebody, and thanks so much for watching. Have a great night.